I'm just continue my making a video. So now I'm going inside the home of my classmates for tipping. So let's go, guys. Here is the home of my classmates. So I will tour you. Okay, it's very nice. I have a garden and super cute. Ako sa video na. Here, the daughter of my classmates. So, look at this garden. So cute. So, okay guys. That's all. So, thank you so much. Hope you are happy in my video today. See you. Bye-bye.